Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a reveal for the March mystery kit. I am super excited to show you guys this kit. I think it turned out super stunning and it is the perfect theme for spring coming up. So without further ado, I'll show you the kit. It is called Sparkle and Shine, and it is a spring cleaning or just anytime cleaning kit. I think the colors are perfect for spring, but honestly, you can use it any time of the year. And it's a great time to use it when you want to like declutter your house or spring cleaning, or I don't know, just if you like the aesthetic. It's really pretty. It does have a few magical elements to the kit as well. You'll see like the dishes are getting done themselves. The plates are flying. There's things on the bottles that say enchanted candle, enchanting dish soap, enchanted laundry powder, but it's actually super subtle that if the magical element is not your thing, that you won't really notice it too much. So yeah, here are the full boxes. Now this is the full size kit. We have two options, full and tiny, which I will show you both. You get the heart checklist and your weekly sidebar, your little things and headers, your quarter boxes, half boxes, appointment labels, bottom washi strips, habit trackers, bill dues, and flags, your functional page, and then your deco glitter headers and skinny heart checklists. So that is the full size kit. The tiny size kit comes with glitter headers, the same 9 full boxes, your quarter boxes and half boxes page, bottom washi strips, skinny heart checklists, habit tracker and bill due, and then your deco page, your weekly sidebar, and deco on here, and your functional page, but the weekly sidebar is here instead of the weekly cleaning. So that is the kit itself. But we also do include extras in every single mystery kit. So the extras this month are this cleaning icon sheet. You have in brights and pastels, the cleaning buckets, as well as brights and pastels for the laundry baskets. And then you get a ton of icons. So there's 3 sets of each icon. So you get a bucket, vacuum, dishes, sponges, cleaning products, the dishwasher, a whole bunch of appliances here. Yeah, just a ton of cleaning icons for you. And then the last thing that we are including are these gold foiled scripts. So you have 3 sets, or 2 sets of the scripts in 2 different fonts. So you have clean in 2 different fonts, declutter, laundry, organize, tidy up, and dishes. So this comes in gold foil and they are kiss cut and on clear paper so that you can layer them on the quarter boxes. So this is the mystery kit for March. I hope you guys liked it. If you were not able to pick up this kit before it ran out, then it will be coming back in June, so you can pick it up then. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kit, give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!